So you might be wondering why you can't receive messages on Instagram. I'm going to walk you through some steps to definitely get it working so that you can receive any messages on Instagram and communicate with people back and forth. So let's open up the Instagram app here, and I'm just going to tap on my profile at the bottom right, and then those three lines at the top right. Now we're going to tap on the settings at the very top here, and then choose privacy, the third option. Now, the very first option, private account, you want to make sure that that is toggled off, because if it's toggled on, then depending on your settings, you won't be able to receive any messages from somebody because they can't follow you without requesting it. So I recommend turning private account off there. And then let's scroll down and tap on messages here. Now, this will determine who exactly can send you a message and what happens if they send you a message. So for example, your followers on Instagram, I can tap on that and you can choose to either send it to message requests or don't receive requests. So make sure it's sent to message requests here. And then you can go through this list, friends of friends on Facebook. Again, you want message requests. Here, Facebook friends, you want chats. Basically, just go through all of these and make sure that none of these are set so that nobody can send you a message if they fall into these categories. And then the last one, who can add you to a group? And you can choose everyone or only people you follow on Instagram. So go through these steps to make sure that you're not limiting their ability to send you a message on Instagram by just, making your account private and all that stuff. Now, the last thing that you can do to make sure that you're able to get any of those messages is swipe down from the top right, and we're just going to toggle on airplane mode and then toggle it back off. And that helps us to reconnect to any internet or cell data and helps you to load up Instagram and be able to receive any of those messages if the internet was causing it to hang up or not be received. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.